Hi lovely people, welcome to Heart Joy Crochet. My name's Jill and today you will be learning how to weave in the ends of your crochet projects. When you finish a crochet project or change yarn colours, you'll have yarn tails or loose ends that need to be secured and hidden in your work. To keep your work neat and prevent unravelling, you need to weave in these ends. Today you'll be needing a crochet swatch with your yarn end ready to weave in. You'll be needing a tapestry needle with a large eye and a pair of scissors. Cut your yarn tail to about 6 to 8 inches long, or in metric 15 to 20 centimetres. Don't do it too short, otherwise it will be too hard to weave in. Then thread the tail through the eye of the tapestry needle. You'll be weaving your yarn into the wrong side of your work. So to tell which is the wrong side, you need to tell which is the right side. The right side of your work will be, usually it will be the first row that you did. This is my first row of single crochets that I've done. That's my right side. Also, another way to tell is if you're a right-handed crocheter, your foundation tail will be on the left. If you're a left-handed crocheter, your foundation tail will be on the right. If you're doing a pattern which calls for something different, you can always just put a stitch marker on the right side, and that way you're going to know all throughout your work that that's the right side. So now on the wrong side, we start weaving the needle through some of the stitches. So turn it over to the wrong side. I'm going to go through the stitches like so. Go through a couple of stitches like that. Very important not to pull tightly, because if you do, you're going to put the tension out and your project's going to look a bit wonky in that area, and we don't want that. So pull it very nice and gently. A good trick is, I've just gone through that stitch there, I'm going to go back over it again and go through it again. And keep going. I'm going to go back over that one again. Just going to go through another couple. Something else you can do is when you go back over the same stitch, you can actually split the yarn, and that will make it even more secure, like that. Okay, I'm just going to go through another couple, and I think this is extremely secure. Very happy with it. So, okay, you can see it looks good. All right, so I'm just going to snip the end there, be close. It's all done. Nice and secure. Looks good. Okay, so thanks for joining me today. Make sure you check out my other beginner crochet tutorials, and please like and subscribe to Heart Joy Crochet, and I'll see you next time. Bye.